Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Shmuel. Shmuel is here after more than a year after his last surgery. And I'll put some pictures up there. You can really see the difference. And we did a 1-year video, so you can also look back on that as well. So he talks about his process. But he's here again, not just for a hello, but he's here actually to do a second coat of paint. And I think we're going to talk about where he wants to put it, but I think we're going to focus on the frontal third. Last time we did the frontal third and the crown as a plus procedure. This time we're going to be doing a standard procedure to address mostly the frontal third, maybe a little bit more. But Shmuel, tell us about, again, I know we kind of talked about it already, but how is this hair affecting your life? We look back at the old pictures and memory lane, and what do you think of your results, and then why are you here again?
Yeah, I mean, it's just been really cool to not have to think about it anymore. I feel like I always used to worry about what kind of hat I was going to wear, and now that's not really something that is a consideration at all. I'm here honestly just because I would love to just continue with this and sort of fluff it up a bit more. I think that'd be a lot of fun. At this point, it's less of a insecurity thing and more of I think it would be really neat to just grow it out more.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that about covers it.
Awesome. So he thinks it's fun. Yeah. So it won't be fun today, but it won't be bad today. But yeah, the result will be fun. I see that actually. So I'm going to kind of put some side by sides here just to remind people again. So I want to show this before we cut your hair down, so you can kind of see. He's doing the messy look here. You can see how nice and thick that looks. He had nothing in the frontal third before. I'm going to show the crown as well. Right here. The crown is not something that's a big priority for him. It's certainly better than it was before. But for him, the priority is going to be the front. He's a very tall guy, so people don't really see the crown right away. But I think you're doing the right thing. And thank you for showing your results and your process today. We'll follow you throughout the day today, and then hopefully in a year we can see those amazing results.
Good.
So thanks a lot. All right, we're here with Shmuel, and we're here after we've sewn him up, and we started putting the sites in, and then we took a little lunch break. So we're in between. We're about to start up putting the grafts into the slits. But how's your day been going so far? What have you been doing?
Pretty great.
Yeah.
Mostly sleeping.
Yeah. So you probably slept through about 80% of it.
Yeah.
And he's here just having some lunch and looking forward to seeing his results. So we'll check in with you at the end and show you everything. But so far, no pain right now. You're
no pain
if anything, it's an enjoyable day probably, right? So, all right. Awesome. Thanks for checking in.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, I'm here with Shmuel. End of the day. I think literally, no exaggeration, probably slept through about 80% of the surgery today. And that's a good thing. I mean, that's nice. You wake up and it's done. So he did get a little Valium to help him out. But, how was this time? How was your day today?
It was great.
Yeah.
Painless.
Good.
Yeah, honestly, the thing that's hurting most about me right now is just my back, and
Yeah.
that has nothing to do with this. So.
Unrelated. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm going to pull up here. You can see we really nailed it in the first third again. So he's going to get a double coat of paint now on that frontal third. Cannot wait to see that. We took out his old scar, so we didn't have to add a new scar. Single scar now after 2 surgeries. So thank you for showing your day today. I cannot wait to see your results. And I'm sure this video will help somebody out in their process and their research. So thank you. All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.